Hi all, welcome back to Tired Format. If you're new to the channel, I hope you like it, and if you do, please hit those subscribe and like buttons or whatever other YouTubers say. Today I am going to be fitting coilovers to my brand new car. Well, it's got 300 miles on it, you know, pretty much brand new now. The coilovers in question, the Bilstein B14s, the reason I'm fitting them is that I'm not happy with the damping as standard. You'll see a lot of people complain about the same thing. Sort of out of breath, I just carried all my gear out to the front, but yeah, a lot of people complain about the crashy nature of the ride on this. So fitting coilovers isn't going to make it worse. I'm hoping that it does give it a bit more damping control. A lot of bumpy, undulating roads around here, which I love to drive, and I think it'll make them a lot better. So without further ado, I'm just going to get right into it. Hopefully be easy, brand new car. New shiny bolts, nothing breaking, nothing snapping, please. Alright, so where are we? Looks exactly the same as a Mark IV Golf strut, really. Even got the same position for the drop link. Even has the same top, but look at how much I've had to remove. And I've got to take these off as well, so great fun just to get to them because of the compact nature of everything. Yeah, on to the next bit. So before I go mad with the top nut, I want to make sure this will come off the hub. It's nice to have a bit of support at the top so I can loosen it, but I don't want to take it off. But first I'm taking off everything around here. I've loosened all these. Now it's just getting this stuff off, which fortunately is requiring both my hands. It's tight, but it's not seized, obviously, so that's good. I hate seized bolts. So, what am I doing? Come on, get back up. There we go. Loosen that off. It starts spinning. Not yet, actually. Oh, look. It didn't spin once. Not even. Oh. I'll fold it down here and I'll put the nut back on. This is a two-hand job, really. Put the nut back on so I don't lose it. Then I've got to loosen this, which requires an M14 multi-spline, as you can see there. And then this is probably an 18 or a 19. This is a 17 and it's too small, so I'll go get that. I'll loosen that off and then knock this down, hopefully. Okay, so side collection, that's an 18, so 18 there and an M14 multi-spline there. What I do is I'll crack it off. Yeah, I'll probably lock this side off and ratchet that side and pull it out. It's weird actually, even the wishbone looks Mark IV to me. Obviously it might be slightly different in size and shape, but yeah, quite interesting how much of the stuff that they design and then just keep running with. I guess if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But yeah, this is all bolts off of here now, so this is gonna get a bit of a tappy tap to come down. But I thought I'd just look at the brakes on this thing. Quite stocky on the front. I noticed they've painted them to keep them from rusting. I'm guessing these are Delphi pads. Nice, decent sized caliper on there as well. So yeah, it's definitely well braked. Yeah, I'll start loosening other stuff now. Right, so that's one side done already. I've sort of fast forwarded a bit, but if you watched my video when I did the TT, it's completely the same as that. But yeah, it was much easier because everything's shiny and new. Yeah, it seems to be sitting well. I can't connect this yet until I've done the other side, and then I can undo it and move the bar around. So to the other side.
3 hours later.
Okay, so we're about 3 hours in. That side took about 45 minutes. This has been the rest. She ain't coming off. She's about that far dilated. Got another ½ inch to go, but you're meant to compress the springs. That's the general thing you do on these suspension struts, but you can only fit one compressor in at a time, which means you can't compress it enough. So I'm going to undo all of this, tighten up the top nut, try and compress it again, but it's getting pretty dark. It might look light on camera, but it's not. It's pretty dark and I don't have lights, so I'll have to try and finish it tomorrow. So yeah, first thing in the morning I got the rest of the front end buttoned up, and then I moved on to the rear, which is in theory the easier one, so let's see. Somewhat irrelevant, but look, that's a perfect centre cap size on a VW. It's the same as a Coke can. Who knew? Anyway, on to this. I think I have to take off all my tools in the boot at the moment. Take off these plastic panels to get to the top mount, which I can almost see if it wasn't for this. Hopefully this is an easy job. I've got a jack supporting the whole beam. Well, hopefully it's easier than the A2 anyway, because that was an angle grinding nightmare, but this looks all right. I spoke too soon, haven't I? What a nice thing to be doing to a new car. We're in, and only some casualties. You have to pull these back to get. Where is it? There's another bolt there. Pain in the arse, but once you get it off, top mount. So that's going to require my Ugga Dugga, which is currently on charge. Yay! I'll better get off charge, eh? Right, an easy Ugga Dugga, that one. Now I just need to undo the bottom ones, drop the axle down, pull the springs out, put the new ones in, build them all up, and we're cooking on gas. How easy was that? Only took, 2 days. Super easy, super easy. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Right then, so bit of a weird camera angle because I'm using the dock to record this on my phone. Sorry if the sound is a bit weird, but yeah. What do I think of the Bilsteins? Well, you can see I'm on a dual carriageway now that's quite bumpy, and it's not too bad. I mean, it's coilovers, so it's harsher than most suspension, but compared to the standard cars, it's about parallel. I say it's a bit more choppy maybe than the standard car. But my god, the damping is better. It feels so much more controlled. I feel super confident in the car now. I just took on a really good blast on some of my favourite roads, and I could properly hang the thing out. The thing I need to do next is get this traction control button sorted, I think. But before then, tyres, these Goodyears are absolutely terrible. I can't wait to get rid of them, but I think I might try and switch down to 16s, something lighter, with a bit of just a bit of compound. It doesn't need to be anything fancy. I don't want the thing to be a grip monster. I just want a better tyre. These just don't hook up well, and yeah, I'm not a fan. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was informative. Obviously, I'm not a mechanic. I'm not here to what's the word I'm looking for? Educate. I am here to look like an idiot, and you saw that there was a few things I did which weren't great. So hopefully you learn from my mistakes. But anyway, yeah. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, do the YouTubery bits and like and subscribe and stuff. Follow me on Instagram, all that stuff. But yeah, there'll be more on this coming up, don't worry, and other cars as well. So yeah, once again, thank you very much for watching. Bye.